Said I need a real one. Tired of the cake and the silicone. Said I need a real one. Forget perfection, I love bumpy roads. Said I need a real one.
Happy Halloween, everybody. I am rushing right now. I need to be washing the dishes, making the bed, fixing up Milan's crib area. I need to do my makeup, fix my hair, y'all. Look. I just got glue. My wig is lifting. Today is Halloween and as you can see, I have some cartoons going for Milan. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse monster musical. This is my first time putting on Mickey Mouse Clubhouse for her, and she loves it so far. I will bring you guys along with me throughout the day, wishing nothing but positivity, love, and good vibes for everybody. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're enjoying your week. Look at her new swaddle, you guys. This is definitely for like a newborn. Yeah, as you can see, this little girl is too active to be in this swaddle. Way too active, but she's doing pretty well right now, so yeah, you're doing good. We got the Funfetti chocolate premium cake mix with Oreo cookie pieces. I have 3 whole eggs here. We got the Funfetti bold purple vanilla frosting icing with the sprinkles on top. We got some gold baking cups, a large bowl, spoon, vegetable oil. Somebody has a poopy diaper. I'm saying.
And it wasn't even that full of a pee-pee diaper either.
It really wasn't. Oh, my little lemon. My little lemon. My little lemon. Gotta pull this down. Luna the Puma. What's up? You ready to go for a trip? Hi, Mommy. Hey, girl. You're over it? Okay. Hey guys, so it's the next day, y'all. I'm terrible. This is just, I'm feeding a little mama right now. And yeah, Halloween was great. It was real chill. I didn't do much. So, say good morning. She's watching her baby Einstein, so I just want to come in and end this vlog real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was real quick. It wasn't really planned, like I said, but don't worry. Thanksgiving and Christmas is going to be popping. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next on this channel. And thanks for watching.